Hi, I'm Josh Keeney. I'm a tactical marketing manager for Fendt in North America, and this is an exclusive for Farm Life magazine. The tractor behind me is the Fendt 1000 Vario. It goes from 350 to 500 horsepower. It is the single largest fixed frame tractor in North America. This tractor was specifically designed to take the place of articulated tractors, quad track tractors, and high horsepower fixed frame tractors, and to challenge the market for not only large draft applications, but also to provide the customer the additional benefit in row crop applications. These compact, powerful, agile, fuel-efficient tractors are versatile enough to handle conditions in the field or on the road and provide optimal comfort and stability.